Today I'm going to teach you how to use sections on Elementor to make a hero image banner. This is a powerful way to create a visually striking header for your website that immediately captures your visitors' attention. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages in the left sidebar and click on Add Page. Go ahead and type in a name for your new page. This sets up the foundation for where your hero banner will live. Next, you'll see an option that says Edit with Elementor. Click this button to open the Elementor editor. This is where the real magic happens, as Elementor's visual builder gives you complete control over your page design in real time. Once the Elementor editor loads, look for the blue plus icon at the top of the canvas. Clicking this will allow you to add a new section to your page. This is the container that will hold your hero banner. You'll now be prompted to select a structure preset. For a hero banner, you'll want to choose a single column structure, which gives you one clean column to work with. This layout is ideal for showcasing a full-width image with text or call-to-action elements if you choose to add them later. Now it's time to add your hero image. Click on the section you just created, then navigate to the Style tab. From there, click on Background, then select Classic, and finally click on Image. Here you can either upload a new image from your computer or choose one from your existing media library. Select the image you want to use as your hero banner. To ensure your image displays beautifully and covers the entire section, you'll need to adjust a few settings. Under Background, set the position to center. This keeps your image centered both horizontally and vertically. Then change the size setting to cover. This ensures your image fills the entire section without any gaps or distortion. Finally, head over to the Layout tab and click on Height. Select Min Height and enter 500 px into the field. This sets the minimum height of your hero section, though you can adjust this value to suit your design needs. A taller section creates more impact, while a shorter one keeps things compact. And that's it. You've successfully created a hero image banner using Elementor's section feature. This technique gives your website a professional, polished look right from the top of the page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.